So I made these stickers, put them up for sale, and got 0 sales. So I wanted to find out, can I actually make money with my art? So I decided to turn these into something real. No ads, no audience strategy, just this. And I thought, this would be the hardest part, but it wasn't. I thought that making the stickers would be the hardest part, but that wasn't the problem. The designs came together pretty quickly. I made 3. And honestly, I thought they looked pretty good. So I turned them into a real product. Formatted everything, and listed them online. And this is where I thought it would finally work. But nothing happened. I realized that there were 3 reasons this failed. The first was obvious. The second surprised me. But the third? If nobody sees it, it doesn't matter how good it is. I thought uploading it was enough. I thought people would find it. But I was missing something really important. I was missing attention. It doesn't matter how good your art is. If nobody sees it, it won't sell. And that's why I made this video. If you want to try them yourself, they're available now. And honestly, if even one person buys this, that would mean everything to me. And if this actually works, I'm going to try something bigger next.